So I've got a canvas here with black gesso, and I've put some liquid clear on. We're gonna put some green on first, okay? Just some green. Just brushing all that in. Well, I'm going to go into the phthalo blue now. Just put some blue streaks. I'm going to slightly just go over this way, just to blend them in a little bit. And I'm going to do some streaks like this. I'm going to try and keep them straight as possible. Just blend this through. Might add some more white here. I probably will add a lot more white actually, but I just wanted to get the feel of this. To get the blue in there, the green and the blue together. I think it always looks so nice. Just a little bit more white around here. Bring this through. Just want some more around here. Beautiful colours, absolutely beautiful. If you haven't subscribed to me on YouTube, make sure you do. There's a link underneath my profile picture. And don't forget you can save on your art supplies as well, because I've teamed up with Meaden and they've give you a discount code, Visualfusions, at checkout. That gives you 12% off your art supplies at Meaden. So go and check that out. And we're going to hopefully make a little bit of mist here. Just by circling a little bit here. We'll gently, just very gently, make some mist at the bottom. Yeah, just like that. I've got a little hair on there that's got to come off. There we go. Blue and green. Same as the top, but maybe just a little bit more blue. And we'll just come in here and we'll lay this water in here. Just across like that. You can cut that off wherever you want to cut that off. Just like so. There we go. Right, let's lighten up this water. We need them shares, guys. Come on, let's go. Now I think I'll probably do the water like this. Like as I was going to do. Just lightly bring that across. Many different ways to do water. There's just a little brighter spot in the middle somewhere. Just pull this straight, like that. And there we have some nice water. Well, we're going to go with some rocks, okay? So we've got some black here. I'm just going to use some of that blue and green in with the black as well. And we'll just lay some rocks and stuff about. Maybe we'll have one over here. Can have one there, look. He sits there. Maybe there's another little one there. This brush, we're just going to pull down a tiny little bit on these. Just a little bit. And we're just going to swipe across here. Right, we're going to go with this colour, this white that I used for the waterfall. Take a bit of the black, go in there, little sort of greyish colour, okay? Just cut across, so there's a little roll of paint on there, tiny little roll of paint. We're just going to put some little highlights on these rocks here. And here. Just some little water lines at the bottom of these rocks. It's good, quite nice to get this kind of thick as well. When this paint goes on, it's nice to get it thick, because when you put the highlights on, it catches, and then you can get some real nice sort of textured feel to the rocks. Just some little things here. Come on, help me out, guys. Share button. Down there, little arrow. Press it, and then the yellow repost button. 2 things to press if you're enjoying the stream. If you want to support me, join the Patreon. There's a link underneath my profile picture. From £1 a month, yeah, and you get entered into the private chat. You know when I'm going to come live. You can chat to me, you can chat to all of us, you can send pictures, talk about paintings, share your paintings, and that's all from £1 a month. Check out the tiers on Patreon, because each tier is different and you can get free prints and even paintings depending on your level of support. You support me and I always give back. In with the dark colour again, and we'll go something over here. I think we'll just have a bit of land that comes in. We'll make this one land, I think. So I just want some dark paint. I'm going to swap to the brush. This is just the brush I used to put the colour on. Just colour all this in. Another bit there. We can make some little things on top of them. There we go. So that's just some colour on there. So I've got the little tiny fan brush here, and what I'm going to do is on the canvas there, right? You get the brush, hopefully you can see this, and you bend it upwards like that, and you get all them little like grassy bits. So we're going to do that here. Just push up, and you get all these little things growing, and that will give the indication of some little things growing on there. And it also texturizes it, and you can come back and put some highlights on here, just like that. I want to do a tree here, so we just let it flow. Just let it flow. I'm pushing harder as I come down. I want a tree here, big tree trunk. I'm going to go just like this, and then we're going to swap over to the script brush, and we're going to thin the paint down as well with some thinners. Everything I use is in the link underneath my profile picture as well, guys. So I just want to create some little things here. So this is just black paint, okay? And we're going to put some little things on these trees. Think about size. How these little leaves sit and hang over. There. This one just coming through there like that. The white here, somewhere between the blue and the green again with the white. And I'm just going to tap some, a little bit of colour down the edge of the here like that. Just a little bit. Just something like that. So let's bring this purple over here into this white. And we're going to thin that down because we want that to stick to the black. Just put the blade in, the paint won't come off, it just grabs to the palette knife, and then we just thin this down a little bit. And that makes a nice thin, you can see that that is kind of wanting to fall there. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, let's see what it looks like on here then. So, just a little press. That dark underneath really helps show that up. There, just some little bits of the purple there, up the top there. And we're going to go with some of this purple down here. Just think about it growing between the trees, places like that. Pushing up with the fan brush yet again, just to create that little sort of thing there. So I've just gone into a bit of the lighter colour, and we're just going to tap just a little bit here and there, and that will help sort of bring that out too. Please don't forget to press the follow, and on my page at the top there's a bell, right at the top on the right, and if you switch that on you'll get notified next time I'm live, otherwise you won't get notification. Certificate's going on. This is painting number 489. There's the signature. You need to type in 489 at the website if you're watching this back for a print. There you go. And here we go. Here is the purple wishing tree. I'm going to show you a closer look. there it is. Painting 489. Please leave a thumbs up and a comment on it and share it, you know, it really helps out a lot. Good night everyone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.